yan na nakatotoo.
Ikaw ang isang independent dito. Lady Dren.
Hindi mo ko sinaya.
Oo nga.
Wala pa naman ako.
Okay lang yung lagi na tayo magkasama.
Meron yata magustong magbigay ng message. Ready na ba si Mr. B?
Yes!
Alam niyo ba guys, bago kami maghiwalay ni Mr. B, ang weird ha, yan yung kantang i-release niya. Kasi bago niya yan i-record, pinapractice niya yan sa harap ko. Gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo na sobrang proud ako sa'yo na nakikita ko yung effort mo and alam mo, pagod na pagod ka kasi sunod-sunod yung show mo. So, gusto ko man tumulong sa'yo and wala ako dyan para tulungan ka kasi nakita ko bit-bit mo din yung mga kilis. Thank you so much. Sana makatulong tong video na to para ma-inspire ka sa show mo. Family natin na nandiyan para sumuporta kay Dada. Ay!
Alam na niya yan!
Kaya?
Alam na yan!
Dada! Parang akit na babay. Dahil Mr. B!
Wow! Ano?
What a surprise.
Yay! Woo!
Thank you, Miss B, and thank you to, sino ba nag-ayos niya?
Huwag ka maingay.
Sila ba? Sila Ella and Ate Ted. Thank you guys.
Ba't umiiyak ka?
Ba't umiiyak? Surprise ba?
So tapos na po ang show. Thank you. Tapos na po niya eh.
Okay, well, thank you for the surprise. If anybody is nagla-live ba siya or whatever, hi, Miss B!
Thank you.
And, okay, so, sponsor pala tayo. Okay, so,
Songs for you guys.
Thank you.
Don't let me go. Don't break it. Let me go. Promise.
Panood nyo rin.
Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Cory Miranda!
Yes!
Hindi lang producer, concert artist din. Diba? Okay.
Ito po, si Mr. B na po.
Nag-enjoy mo ba tayo?
Yes!
Is it okay if in this segment right here I sing my songs?
Yes!
Okay, so this first song, this set that I'm gonna do, I wanna, gusto mo marinig yung parang ganyan? Okay, konting kwento lang. Konting kwento lang. So,
Yes, Sis Arlene. Sis Arlene, shout out.
I've been in the industry for 20
Shout out
years.
po kay
And
Spam Squad.
there comes a point when you start to like release music.
Kay Miss Coco.
Okay, Miss Coco.
Ito po, Miss Coco, ito.
This was like 2018.
Dami nang
to
nagsa-
let myself recalibrate and see where else I fit in this industry.
Thank you po.
So last year, I finally got back in the studio in LA. I was with a super producer. His name is Lil Eddie. He sang the song Statue. I was in the studio. The one who produced this was Nico Blitz. He's a DJ on 92.3 on the radio in LA. And I was writing the song. So I was very, very pressured. Sobrang pressured ako kasi ang tagal ko hindi nasulat ng kanta. Ang tagal.
Thank you
So,
po.
we were going through beats, right? The process is you go through beats and then you see what you like and you build on it, right? So we picked one and then I was starting to write, pero wala talagang nangyayari, wala lumalabas. And then so I had to take a deep breath and I had to recompose and then I had to draw strength
Thank you po.
from somewhere very, very deep. And that's when I started to think about
Hiyanig mo.
I started thinking about Katie, and as soon as I thought of my love for her as a father, the way she makes me feel, the way I want to protect her, the way that how much I love her, from a father's perspective, my pen hindi tumigil yung ballpen ko. I just wrote all the ideas and then I sewed everything together, and then little Eddie helped me tie everything together.
Thank you po.
So, that's the backstory behind this song. And before I sing this song, meron gusto mag-hi ulit. Dito. So, JD, if you can get this one going.
Hi guys! Kamusta na po kayo dyan? May bawal.
Pero wala siya dyan.
Hi guys! Kamusta na po kayo dyan?
Hi, Katie!
Hi guys! Kamusta na
Hi
po
again, Katie!
My Papa will sing a song that he wrote for me. I hope you like it.
Thank
Love
you,
you.
Katie.
Miss
I
Coco.
love you.
Pa-isa pa.
This one is called Nobody Everybody. Kasi minsan kung saan galing pa.
Live nyo! Baka nandun si
Yung
Eden.
hinahanap ko dyan lang para.
Live nyo para
Diba? So for those of you that have never felt that in your life,
Si Francis!
Excited ako pa.
it's really
Francis!
Why?
Ano si Francis? Ay! Yung mabugo! Ay! Oh, ayun talaga yun. Yes! Nakakakilig! Miss Coco, isa pa. It's up to you, tita. Everything you want.